Alright guys, I'm puffing pretty bad. I ran with Ozzy on the way home because I took him out to do his business, and then I just walked around. And then at the very end I was like, you wanna go? And he looked at me and I was like, let's go. And so I just like ran. Man, that dog can run pretty fast for his little legs, I can tell you that. But he's eating right now. Super cute. It is Christmas, you guys, so Merry Christmas. I cannot believe how fast it came. I literally was like, what? And it was like Christmas. So Merry Christmas to all of you, to your friends, to your family. And I hope that you had an amazing Christmas. Even if it was a quiet one, if it was a busy, loud, crazy one, just enjoyed with your family. So that's the main purpose, is to enjoy it with your friends, to enjoy it with your family. And that's the main concept of it, you know? So Merry Christmas to all. But yeah, I'm gonna jump in the shower and get ready, because we're gonna take some good photos, Christmas photos. You guys are coming with us, so let's go. You're running. Look at you. Wait. Look at you. Look at all your toys. Get your toys. Hey guys, so it is currently Sunday. Yes, Sunday. Sunday today, and me and Richard are gonna go and do some grocery shopping because we need some. We also need to get some drinks. We're hoping that we can go tomorrow to the strip. We're just gonna walk around a little bit, whatnot, but just the way that the weather is kind of scaring us because it's really windy. And I don't know about you, but I personally don't like the wind. I can do any other element of weather, I just cannot do wind. That shit is annoying. You know, you get like shit flying in your face, your hair's crazy, your eyelashes are flying away, and it's just like, it ain't pretty. Yes, you guys are coming with us. Let's go. Guys, so we're just at Smith's right now. We're getting some groceries, and it is so quiet at the grocery store right now, and I'm pretty sure all the retail people are like packed. It's packed over there, I'm pretty sure, because it's super quiet and it's a Sunday, so it's weird. Hi guys, so we just came back from Smith's and we got everything that we wanted to get, and Ozzy is just right here. But what I am happy of getting is this. This stuff, holy crap, it's delicious. True, babe. And it's easy to make. You literally, that's the step, see? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's all I know.
You know what should have fruit marshmallow salad. Just like coconut. You just buy the fruit, the marshmallows.
My favorite Tic Tacs. When I was a kid, I would only get like the little ones. Oh, this is a giant one. I don't know, the normal packaging. And I don't know, within like an hour it'd be gone. My favorite flavor. Oh, damn. Oh! Did you see my face?
That's so good.
Wowza.
Who else likes kiwis?
That was sour. Alright guys, so what we're cooking today is we're gonna get some chicken, breadcrumb them, fry it, some rice, and then a good salad to go on the side. So that's what we're cooking today for Sunday. Let me know how your Christmas went. What did you get? What did you give people? Did you have a quiet Christmas? Did you have a loud Christmas with like a bunch of family and friends, or just a nice quiet one with your friends, loved ones? Let me know, because me and Richard, it was quiet, nice, delicious, because we ate Korean barbecue and we just had a lot of fun being lazy. Okay, I go back to work on Tuesday, which is fun. But yeah, Richard is gonna, when are you gonna start cooking?
I think I'll start now. You're hungry now.
I'm not that hungry right now.
Probably wait there.
Wait, okay. Alright guys, well, we'll see when Richard starts cooking, because he's better at cooking than I am.
Picnic with my best friends. We start to plan what we will do. Now life's back in color and everything's feeling brand new.
Hey guys, so it has started to rain, so we're walking towards our car, but I'm excited because I got on my outfit for New Year's Day. So let's go. Hey guys, so we're driving back home. It is very muggy, very cold outside. It's gonna start to rain any minute, sorry. But me and Richard got our outfits for New Year's Day. Our friends are coming from Tucson and we're gonna spend New Year's with them. We're gonna go to the strip. I will show you when I get home what I got because I really love the shoes. So, what did you get? Pants?
I got 2 pairs of pants.
And Richard got 2 pairs of pants.
One of them were jeans.
Ooh, he's getting spicy. Alright guys, I will see you when we get home. Bye.
The roof will be leaking, but I'll be as happy as they come. Well, I read that the French always say what's on their mind, leaving lipstick stains on togas.
Hey everyone, so we came back from the shops. It is currently 4:27. It is almost pitch black outside. And we're ready to cook. Well, Richard is ready to cook. And I just put on my comfy clothes again. I love to be comfy. So this is my outfit. It is super cold, so we've got the little heater going on. It works. $25 at Walmart. Loves it. It definitely keeps the place warm. So we're gonna move the TV back here. That way we can kind of watch TV while we cook. But in a second you'll see Richard and Ozzy come through those doors. I can hear Ozzy. There he is. There he is. There's Ozzy and Richard. But yes, we are ready to eat. We're hungry, we're really tired. I actually woke up at 3 a.m. and didn't go back to sleep until 8:40 in the morning. So thank goodness I didn't work today because I would have been super exhausted. And Richard as well, thank goodness that he didn't work today. We both work tomorrow, so hopefully tonight, you know, we can just rest, easy sleep, have that 10-hour, 8-hour sleep. All right guys, I will be back, and actually you'll be seeing Richard cook, so enjoy. You guys, so the printer stopped working. Yes, Frank, that's life. Hey guys, so me and Richard just came back. I bought myself some stuff and I wanted to show you guys what I got because I've been eyeing this foundation for probably a year now. I just gotta be honest. I don't know. I haven't had the time to go get it, but I bought like a new NARS one a couple of months back, and I was like, oh, I'll keep the NARS and don't worry about it. But for some reason, the NARS one is just not working for me anymore. I don't like it, and I don't like the way that it looks on my face. So because I got a gift card, I was like, why not, you know, kind of go to Ulta, see what I can get. So let me show you. So I got the Jaclyn Hill cosmetic, or Jaclyn Cosmetics. Came like this. It's the brightening light banana one that I got, so I'm happy with this one. I wanted to get the lavender, but Richard said that it was like really like light for me, so maybe next time I'll try the lavender, but for now I got the banana one. Then I got an e.l.f. brush for my foundation. I need a new one, so I thought why not. This is the buffing foundation one, so pretty cute. And then I got this one. It's the NYX Lingerie XXL, and this is how it looks. This one is in Turn On, so that's how it looks. That's how it looks. I like the color, so yes. This is the foundation that I was talking to you guys about. It's the Urban Decay one. It is the Stay Naked Hydro Manic Tinted Glow Hydrator. This is a 24-hour glow, 24-hour wear. It's got kombucha and marula oil, and it's vegan formula, so that's a good thing. And it looks like this. Oh, and my shade is 51 medium. That's how it looks. And this is the one that I've been eyeing because I would say that I'm very oily, but at the same time, I'm very dry, so it's super annoying. Yeah, that's what I got. And I'm really happy with everything that I got. And of course, this little bag cost me like 50 bucks. Originally like 70 something, but with my gift card, it came out to like 50 something. So yeah, little bag that holds a lot. Oh, and of course I'm wearing my hoodie, my comfortable hoodie that I absolutely love. You guys see me pretty much all the time with this hoodie. That is because I love it. But yeah, I will see you guys in just a little bit. I'm gonna hang out with Richard, probably get some margaritas, or maybe go to a Mexican restaurant. Don't know. Still trying to figure out how or what we're gonna eat. But yeah, I'll get back with you in just a bit.